broken future.
Hey, beautiful babes. It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome into Sugar Fingers. And guess what you need to be doing right about now? You need to go ahead and subscribe and hit the post notification bell because it is definitely giveaway time around here. Okay, now I have just finished packaging up several little goodies to give away for those that even had participated even before now. So what I want you to do, if you're really thinking about making sure that you're part of the giveaways, be sure you have subscribed. Be sure to turn on all notifications for this channel that you get notified, because if you don't get notified, you won't know what's going on over here, and you don't want to lose this channel. Sugar Fingers, remember that. Now, what you see right now on your screen, it's a cup, right? It's a beautiful babe cup. How many people actually have a beautiful babe cup? Not many, and we want to make sure that you get yours. What you're needing to do right now is be sure you're in the know as I give these away, and be sure that you have all of the details down to a science that you enter to win. So let me give you what you need to do right now. In the comments, make sure you type, I am a beautiful babe. That's it. I am a beautiful babe. Definitely put that, okay? And the other thing I need is your email address. Be sure you put that, okay? Now you got to watch the full video. Oh, you're just going to be jamming out to some great music. You can just let it play in your headphones. But listen, watch it all the way to the end, and I'll give you the final information that you need to type in the comments. Okay? First, I am a beautiful babe. Then give me your email address. Okay? And then, towards the end, I will let you know what is the final thing to type in the comments so that I can go ahead and give away this beautiful babe cup. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. I'm signing out right now, but you have to watch this video to the end to get the final item that you need to put in the comments. I'll see ya. Good luck.
just a better kind of bitter, bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm at extreme at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in fears is like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. How to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. And maybe just a better kind of bitter, 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 think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby.
In this moment,
Yes.
I cannot say what's wrong or right.
No.
It's not hard to fool me,
No.
'cause I'm addicted to the good life.
Yes.
Yeah, lead the way, I follow. No need to say
No.
where we are heading now, babe. I follow to the edge of it all, to the edge of it all. So tell your good nights, 'cause I'll find no matter what. Yeah, susceptible now before the moment flies. Ooh, so tell your good nights, 'cause I'll find no matter what. Ooh, susceptible now before the moment flies. It's not a problem,
No.
'cause I know what I'm getting into.
Yes.
Yeah, and nothing can stop me,
No.
'cause I'm addicted to